National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Newberry County in central South Carolina, northwestern Lexington County in central South Carolina, southeastern Saluda County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Dreher Island State Park, or 8 miles northeast of Batesburg-Leesville, and is nearly stationary. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Batesburg-Leesville, Red Bank, Dreher Island State Park, Gilbert, Summit, Cedar Grove Fire Station, South Shore Marina, Oswald Park, Fredonia, Shell Island, Bundrick Island, Putnam's Landing, Fiesta Cove Marina, Murray, Camp Kinnard, Lake Murray Shores, Circle Fire Station, Delmer, Hollow Creek Public Park, and Hibernia. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 43 and 52.